My name is Kiyomi White, and I'm an 8th grader at Washington Middle School. I feel like my Fourth Amendment rights are being suppressed. The Fourth Amendment rights. Why don't I have them? The Fourth Amendment supposedly protects the public privacy. But does anyone really respect that? Anyone with a phone can be instantly tracked by the government, anytime, anywhere. The NSA can follow the signals on any phone at any time. They can track anyone they want and record information. I personally own a phone, but I don't want to be tracked by the government anywhere I go, or have the government listen to and record all of my conversations, but they can. In the court case, Kotz versus the United States, Kotz was arrested for gambling in 1967. It was already suspected that he was gambling. The FBI only needed proof. Once the FBI got the proof they needed, they took the case to the United States Supreme Court. The Fourth Amendment states the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Kotz argued the FBI's evidence was invalid and its source went against the Fourth Amendment, the source being a listening device on the telephone booth he was using. Originally, the court argued that public property was not included in the Fourth Amendment. This was true according to the current interpretation. Although, with Kotz's consistent argument, the court inevitably adjusted their interpretation of the Fourth Amendment to encompass public as well as personal property. Some people say our society improves as we go further into the future. If the society improves, then why don't our rights to privacy? If the Supreme Court would rule in Kotz's defense in 1967, when he was so clearly guilty just because of a recording device in a public telephone booth, then why can the government track us and listen to our conversations in 2019 through our private property without any proof of any of us being guilty of any crime?